Welcome to my what's in my freelance kit video. So this is just a bit of a lowdown on everything I take with me to weddings, shoots, and what I have in my kit generally. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. But yeah, I just thought it'd be perfect as I had a full day of clients today, recorded it all this morning, so I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye bye.
So this is the first drawer of the makeup that I want to take you guys through, just showcasing some of the foundations and powders and things like that I use. So my most used foundation above anything is the Marc Jacobs Re-Marcable foundation. For me, it's my favourite foundation and it's something I opt to for a lot of my clients. But alternatives to this foundation, I use the Hourglass foundation sticks, Nars Sheer Glow foundation, the Makeup Forever foundation sticks as well. Concealer wise, my most used ones would be the Tarte Shape Tape and Nars concealers. For powders, generally I mostly use the MAC Studio Fix powders, but outside of that I often use the Laura Mercier translucent powder as it never guides me wrong. Underneath the skin, often I will use that of the Benefit Professional Marc Jacobs Coconut Perfecting Primer. If I want them to have a really glowy look, I might mix this with Becca's Illuminating Primer or Marc Jacobs Dew You Liquid Highlighter or some iconic drops. To set a lot of makeup in place, I go to my go-to, Max Fix Plus, and often if their skin is quite dry, I will use that to hydrate and charge the skin beforehand. So on to my bronzers, highlighters and blushes. I would say that the Sweet Tea Too Faced bronzer is one of my favourites. It's got a bit of a shimmer glow to it, so it does give that glow effect. MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter is one of my most used, and I often use the Hoola bronzers by Benefit. One of my favourite palettes to use is the Golden Goddess palette by Charlotte Tilbury. It gives that ultimate summer bronze look. I really love it. But another lot of my commonly used palettes are the Urban Decay Naked, Huda Beauty, Tarte and Too Faced palettes. Here you can just see an overview of the type of things I use: Anastasia Beverly Hills, as I mentioned, Too Faced, Morphe, Makeup Geek, the list goes on. So this is what I like to call my more logistics drawer. I've got one of my makeup belts there. I think I bought it off Amazon's. Can't remember the name of it. These are sort of my lipsticks and lip glosses and lip liners. I will put a list down below of my most go-to products for these. And I put my liquid lipsticks in a different bag. So this is some Surgical Spirit. I use this to clean powdered products and really sanitize them, and I put them in this little bottle when I travel, just because you can't wash these products and it allows them to be as sanitized as possible between clients. This little area are my glitters and my adhesive glue. I really love these Stila glitters. They're sort of like a wet glitter that you can just apply straight away, and they actually have really good endurance. And here's some just disposable mascara ones, disposable lip gloss ones, a little powder puff. These are some little Charlotte Tilbury testers I leave some of my brides. I think it's quite a nice keepsake. Some Garnier Micellar water. If you have quite sensitive skin, I really do recommend that, and it's very affordable. And just some single eyeshadow pans and eyelashes that I commonly use. Okay, so this is how I travel with my makeup. This is my Inglot makeup case. I mean, I always feel like a little bit of a magician when I move out with it because it kind of looks like a magician set, I think, but hey. It has some really handy compartments. You can see there my mascaras and some of my pigments, some lipsticks and bronzers. And here we have some of the eyeshadow palettes I took with me, such as Too Faced, Urban Decay, that big magnetic palette there. They have all my favourite Makeup Geek shades. I will pop some of them down below. Some of my lipstick shades, as I mentioned, and lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. and some bronzers, blusher and highlighters. So this actually does take apart ease for travelling. So these are my foundations, concealers, setting powders and primers. And then below this, I have my brushes, my logistics. There's my sanitising spray, as I mentioned before, my micellar water, some eyelashes, some tools, some glue. I really do recommend this case, as you can just have the bottom half if you want to and put the lid on it, or both sections, so it's really great for every occasion. And then just some makeup brushes in there that I also took with me. Mostly though, I do just take with me the BH Cosmetics and Zoeva brush sets with me. They're my go-to brushes for most occasions. So that concludes a What's in My Freelance Kit video. I will leave a list of products all down below that you might have missed in this video, such as my go-to products for brows, for lips, for highlighters and etc. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.